Hi, my name is Mille Bonekamp and I'm Manufacturing Cloud Domain Lead at Nextview. The Salesforce Summer 23 release brings some really nice features for Manufacturing Cloud. Let me take you through two of them. First, the Asset 360 platform. Don't you just feel that the asset is sometimes a big black box where you cannot find related activities, related accounts, and the like? Well, those headaches are over. Right now, with the Asset 360-degree view, you can quite easily find all the relevant information in just one page. The other thing is the warranty lifecycle management. Warranties are necessary, but can get complex really quickly. This means that it can be difficult to set standardized processes, and these standardized processes you can now set with warranty lifecycle management. Want to know more? Click the link up here or down below, or feel free to contact me for more information. Ciao!